This stuffing is really special. It's got an addition of andouille sausage and turkey bacon. Just a little bit. And the andouille sausage is also chicken, so it's low in fat. But it gives that stuffing a really surprising extra little depth from the sausage and also a little kick, which I think is kind of fun.
A little bit of heat. And you got something sweet going on with your mise. It smells fantastic.
Right on, yes. So you start off with a little bit of butter and a little olive oil, and you start by cooking your onions, celery, and sweet potato until the onion starts to get soft. That's about 5 minutes or so.
So fragrant.
Then you add in, this is the turkey bacon.
So a little bit smoky, but still very heart healthy. And chicken andouille.
We have our wet ingredients, so we've got some chicken stock. 3 eggs. Okay, so we come over...
Oh, what did you add in there for your herbs and spices there?
Some parsley, a little thyme, and then just some cracked black pepper.
Gotcha. Simple.
All right, so now is the time to bring together our... That's plenty. So that just gets tossed up, and we preheated the oven.
Yep.
Let's get this in the oven, and we'll bring out a magically finished version.
Here's a muffin, Ben. You may grab it. You want to grab it?
Yeah.
Holders in the corner.
This is brilliant.
Oh, thank you, darling. You know, Ted, I wanted to talk to you because for years, oh my God, it's gorgeous.
Nice, right? Good stuff.
Oh,
and the
good stuff. I want to give a big air hug to our friends at No Kid Hungry.
Yes.
You are partnering with them, but they have been our friends since the day we launched our brand. A percentage of all of our sales have gone to hunger relief, improving school food, and providing scholarship dollars for kids. And the people that help us feed hungry American kids are No Kid Hungry.
And indeed, you know, I think it's shocking, but 1 in 6 American kids struggles with food insecurity. So we're encouraging people to add some extra meaning to their Thanksgiving celebration by calling it a Friendsgiving, inviting friends and family, and signing up at nokidhungry.org/Friendsgiving to make it a fundraiser for those kids to help them. You know.
So when your friends come over, you can give to kids that are hungry. And you know, that statistic of 1 in 6, it hasn't changed in all the years we've been working together. And that's just unacceptable.
It's mind-boggling, but the good news is that the American hunger problem with children is totally solvable. We don't have a shortage of food.
That's right.
We just have trouble connecting those kids who need more food
Connecting the
assistance.
dots.
Exactly.
Yes. And finding the right conduit, which is why we work in school food, too. So.